Hello, everybody. Let's play a game together about professions. Let me tell you how to play. We will play 3 different types of games. Number 1, you will guess an object based on the characteristics that will be told in the question. Number 2, you will guess the nature of an object shown in the question and you will be given multiple choices. Number 3, you will guess a word from an object. You will be given an incomplete word as a clue. Ready? Go. Question number 1. At work, I use a hammer. My job is in the field of law. I also have to understand the contents of the criminal law code, and in my work, I have to decide problems fairly. Who am I? Excellent. The correct answer is judge. Question number 2. The job of designing a building is called A. Doctor, B. Teacher, C. Architect, D. Fisherman. Super. The correct answer is architect. Question number 3. Guess the word. Great job. The correct answer is doctor. Now tell in the comments. What do you want to be in the future? Thank you for playing with me. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.